Matrix, you'll enter that same top level idea here. BLT sandwich is my example. You'll select a model, and you'll click Generate Matrix. You've heard me talk about natural language processing before and how important it is in digital marketing. This is over 60 hand-picked language analysis types and models from my research. We run the idea that you enter through all of these different language analysis types, and we harvest the data that makes up that idea. And then what we do is we tally all of that over here in the algorithm trigger words tab. Anything that has 10 or more occurrences, meaning any idea or word, keyword, entity, concept that appears 10 or more times, so in 10 of the 60 language analysis types or more, appears up here to tell you what the most important information is. This is like running a DNA analysis on ideas or content. It's taking the power of natural language processing and it's amplifying it across all of these different language analysis types. This is like running a massive database test and coming at it from all different angles. And we tally those trigger words here. These are the words that algorithms would expect if you're talking about a BLT sandwich. And you'll see right up here at the top, it makes a lot of sense. What are the first three most important terms for a BLT sandwich? Well, isn't it bacon, lettuce, and tomato? That's literally the definition of the sandwich. So to see that it has occurred in 60 of the models, right? Bacon, lettuce, and tomato have appeared in 60 of these language models and analysis types, proves that this is the data level definition of that concept. If I use any words here, 10 and above times as my recommendation, those are the trigger words or concepts or keywords that need to be used in your articles, in your marketing, in your advertising, in your social posts, in your AI training. If you use this data, you will literally bend all of the algorithms, all of AI in your favor. They will understand what you're talking about because these are the precise words they're expecting to hear and to see when you're discussing a BLT sandwich. On top of all of that, you can always jump back over to the matrix sheet and look at each of these individual language analysis reports. I have, if you send in a ticket, a help ticket and request, I have a sheet of my research which will notify you and tell you which of these columns are used by each of the social media networks. So if you become a subscriber, that's an added bonus that I'd be happy to share with you. That way, if you're looking at writing a Facebook post or an Instagram post or doing something on TikTok, you'll be able to figure out on those platforms even more precisely what terms they would be looking for based on the technology that they're running. So if you get anything out of this video, you simply put your one word into the Matrix app, you let it run all of the 60 language analysis types, and come in here and just copy and paste any of these words, 10 and greater, and use those in your marketing, advertising, brand messaging, storytelling, and algorithms will better understand what you're talking about. And that will help you rank across any type of recommendation engine, any type of social, any type of AI.